Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is just an update on my work and how far I've gone. There's still a lot of work to do here. You can see the screen is totally different. So I've kind of improved it, and this video is just to fix the data here. So I'm calculating it totally wrong, and I didn't care at the beginning because I thought I want things to work before I actually get it done. So start time, end time is fine, and then the duration seems to be fine. Then we got the cost per second, that's fine. Any discount 0 or 10, that's fine. Then or 0 or whatever number, that's fine. We don't want anything below 0 because we can't calculate with that. It's either no discount or a discount, right? Then we want to calculate the, see, this is where it is happening, right? So we want to make sure that we are calculating this right. So according to the internet and according to my work, if I can find my work, this is the old work that we are trying to redesign or migrate into Springboot. In the Visual Basic, this is how I calculate it. Yeah, so I've got my start time, end time, and then the duration, that's fine. Then we got the gross pay. So the gross pay is before any deduction, and I think this is correct because this is 30 something pounds, and then we've got a discount of £5.40. Now my discount on the other side says percentage, which it should be. Then the system calculates it, isn't it? Or yeah, right. And then we got a VAT. The VAT, we calculate the VAT, which should be 20% of the 20% of the gross pay, right? Okay. And then we got the net. So the net should deduct the net pay. Oh, it's the other way around, isn't it? Because the net pay is what the user pays, right? So we've got a total amount of 276.67 and 230.37. Yeah, this is this one. Something is not quite right here. But I think the user should be paying the VAT with so the gross pay is basically what the user pays, basically, because the gross pay should include these deductions. It should include the VAT but excluding, and it should also include the discount. We've got the VAT and the discount. Yeah, this is correct. Sorry, this is correct because according to this thing, gross pay versus net pay on the internet, it says the gross cost is the total cost of something, while the net cost is the amount remaining after deductions are made. All right, so that means this is fine because this calculation, it basically is based on this gross pay deducted discount and also plus VAT. So this is correct. So this is the net pay that the user pays, right? Then yeah, I think that's where we are. What we are just basically trying to do right now is to make sure that this thing is correct, right? I've kind of like fixed a few things, but it's not quite going my way. So how do I get this one here? And I ain't got much time, so if I do cut down on this video, so I did get it wrong in the first place. So this is the net cost, and I was saying, take the cost per second, and then take that one, and then the net pay is equals to the cost per second times the duration, which is wrong. It should be the other way around. It should be gross pay should calculate this one, and then the net pay should take the discount and the VAT. So if we jump right back to, just go back to here, that is what I'm trying to fix now. I might have to fix this offline and then get back because the time will run off. So you've seen me starting to do it, and I can't do all the videos put together. I have to edit some and take some out, yeah, or I have to cut it somewhere because I'm talking a lot right now, and already 5 minutes is gone. I ain't got much time. I can't go more than 10 minutes or so. So I'm gonna pause right here and get back when it's done. All right, so all we need is just to calculate the gross cost, and the gross cost, according to what we just looked at, is to calculate the, we don't even need is to calculate the duration, right, times the cost. So the cost per second is there, right, and then we say it is cost per second multiplied by the duration, and duration we are getting it as we call this method. All right, so now the next one to work out is the VAT. So I've got the task, which is already 0.2, so percentage is already worked out. So 0.20, and then we've got that thing there, so we get rid of all this rubbish that was there before. Get rid of all this rubbish that was there before. Okay, not mining, we've done all the work now. So then we just want to take discount for calls, which is the values we'll be getting for the discount, which is already set, what the value that we get from the user. The discount for cost, this I think it might cause some trouble, but anyway, discount for cost, because I think we should get it in another way. Discount for cost, we just check that the discount for cost is greater than 0, right? And then if it's greater than 0, then all right, just make sure that the net cost is equal to this gross coming in our way, and add that VAT. Are we adding the VAT? Yeah, we add the VAT. We will find out in a minute anyway, and then we will subtract the discount, yeah, because it's greater than 0. And then if it's not greater than 0, then just return the net cost as gross, just add VAT. And I think that works out more or less the same as what we've got calculated here, right? Okay, so another thing I wanted to show is my calculation in my service implementation, which was wrong. So I need to fix this as well. I wanted to show it before I do it. So we get all the stuff from the user, and then we kind of like taking the start time and time. Then we want to calculate the duration. So we take the start time and end time. So we got a duration that calculates the duration, total duration of between start and that. Let's take a quick look at that one, because we didn't take a look, and get rid of this one. Yeah, and it's quite simply, it takes this and that, and then it says duration between these two, and basically that's what it is, and return it. Yeah, cool. So then we do the duration, and then we calculate the duration. Where am my implementation? We calculate the duration, and then we do whatever we want to do, and then we say discount is basically what's coming from the user. So whatever we getting from the user is we get it, and we paste it, and we stick it here, right? Okay, Then we're doing all sorts of discounts and all that stuff. Now this is wrong because this is the old way I was doing and it was wrong, and I noticed it was wrong, but I just wanted to get things working before I do it. So I'm gonna get offline again and fix this because it's gonna go over my time.